SC Costruzioni Meccaniche was set up with the primary objective of developing new technologies to assist the tannery industry. In its 20 years of business, SC Costruzioni Meccaniche has kept up with the times, always meeting the market's demands with new machinery or new versions of existing machinery. Thanks to a modern technical department and a flexible workshop equipped with the latest technology, we can guarantee the high quality and reliability of the equipment we produce, reducing running costs to a minimum. Through a highly qualified team, our commercial department is able to advise and support our clients, both during and after sales, with a spare parts warehouse that is always well supplied. SC Costruzioni Meccaniche has organized its business along 2 production lines, which reflect the primary needs of the world of industry and which are safeguarding the environment and safety in the workplace. In the ecology field, SC proposes a tried and tested series of equipment for filtering and gridding wastewaters, or salvaging byproducts and recycling baths. Complete pre-treatment or wastewater treatment systems are also available. In the safety field, SC supplies systems of protection against chemical risks. But let's look in detail at the machines in the ecology area. The hair press filter is a machine specially designed to separate the hairs from the liming baths and is made entirely in stainless steel IEZ 316. The main characteristic of the filter is that of dehydrating and compacting the material withheld by means of a rubber cone, designed and patented by us, leading to a reduction in volume and therefore of disposal costs. The liming bath comes out of the drum and is directed into gutters made from fiberglass or stainless steel, which it flows along into the machine, where it is filtered through a filtering panel. A sturdy cochlea, with brushes attached to the outside, skims the filtering panel and takes the residues of the bath towards the outlet, where the rubber cone compresses them and discharges them with a residual humidity of 40 to 50%. The filtered bath is recycled to the drum by a submersed pump inside the machine. The non-destructive hair recovery liming systems enable a reduction of the pollutant contents of tanning, both for COD, 30 to 50%, and for suspended solids, 40 to 60%, while also saving on sulfur. The hair press filters can treat large flows and are simple to use and install, making them suitable for all situations. The problem of breaking down the sodium chloride in wastewaters is one of the most pressing in the tannery world. One way of significantly reducing these residues is by removing the salt from the skins by mechanical means. SC Costruzioni Meccaniche has specially designed a machine for this purpose, the Salt Shaker 316. Salt Shaker is a simple machine composed of a rotating cylinder-shaped cage, a sturdy frame to support it, and the motor group, which makes the cage rotate. The salted skins are fed through a hopper into the cage, where, as they hit the walls, they spread out and lose the salt and other impurities. A series of pegs arranged along the length of the cage moves the skins on towards the exit. By inclining the cage using a hydraulic jack, you can increase or decrease the length of time for which the skins are beaten. The absence of hard edges in contact with the skins ensures against mechanical damage. The use of stainless steel, IEZ 316, for the parts coming into contact with the skins makes the machine invulnerable to corrosion. The Spruzzo SED systems means that the water coming from the ecological wastewater treatment system of spraying booths can be totally recycled after subjecting it to a chemical physical treatment using a neutral product. Spruzzo SED is a system which works on a continuous stream and can be installed in bypass on a single wastewater treatment plant. Thanks to the high capacity for treatment, the same system can be used for several booths. In this case, the system is freed from the single wastewater treatment machines, installing 2 suitably sized tanks. Spruzzo SED thus operates totally independently of the treatment systems and there is no operative interference between the system and the spraying lines. Spruzzo said is composed of a group of reactive baths, a metering group, and a filtering group. The water goes into the reactive baths where a chemical flocculating product is added, after which it goes into the sedimentation machine, where the product coagulates the particles of dirt present, which have a tendency to sink. The particles of paint are aggregated and can thus be separated by filtration or decanting, depending on the model of the system. For large systems, filter presses are used, where the sludge is transformed into easily transportable bricks. The clean disc range of microfilters is a natural development of the rotating disc filter, modified for the purpose with mechanisms designed and patented by us to make servicing of the filter nets easier and faster. The wastewater goes into the machine and flows into the compartment between the pairs of rotating discs. The water filters through the net and goes into the drainage compartment while the solids are kept inside by the discs. As the quantity of solids increases, they form compact masses, which by rubbing over the inner surfaces of the filtering nets, keep them clean. When the solids withheld reach a certain volume, the machine begins to dispose of them automatically. The filtering nets are regularly cleaned by means of a washing system at the end of the work cycle or while functioning. The innovative solution designed and patented by SC Costruzioni Meccaniche in clean disc is simple and efficient. The central shaft has been eliminated and the rotating discs assembled onto guide rollers. The rotating movement of the disc is provided by the pinion mounted onto the reducer unit shaft, which engages with the crown fitted onto the outside of each of the discs. The discs are thus removed from their seating without the use of a tool. Clean disc is available in 3 versions. Clean disc 1C, with a pair of rotating discs 1,000 millimeters in diameter and a capacity of 15 to 50 cubic meters per hour. Clean disc 2C, with 2 pairs of discs 1,000 millimeters in diameter and a capacity of 25 to 100 cubic meters per hour. The small and economical clean disc 1CS has a pair of discs 700 millimeters in diameter and a capacity of 5 to 25 cubic meters per hour. To satisfy the demands of the market, we have made some modifications to clean disc, adapting it so that it can be applied to fit all types of drums, able to remove through the continuous filtering of tanning or dyeing baths all the residues present. Clean disc 1C dyeing can be applied to all dyeing drums and is made entirely from stainless steel IEZ 304. Clean disc 1C tannery can be applied to all tanning baths and is made entirely from stainless steel IEZ 316. It has a coarser filter than the dyeing clean disc. The mechanism is simple. The baths come out of the drum through the rinse valve and are conveyed through a gutter made from fiberglass or from stainless steel to the machine, passing through the deviating valve or making use of the circulation system of the drum, if present. When the baths have been filtered, they flow into a compartment specially created to contain the submerged pump, which returns the filtered bath back to the drum. In the tannery version, the submerged pump is coated so as to prevent acids from corroding it. SC Costruzioni Meccaniche has always taken a special interest in everything regarding safety in the workplace and, aware of the risks present in tanneries, has developed 2 systems, Dosachem and Tower. The Tower system started out as a system for breaking down the gases produced in drums during the tanning procedure known as pickle. On contact with sulfuric acid, the sulfur present in the limed skins develops hydrogen sulfide. The gas saturates the free area of the drum and comes out the door when it is opened. The tower system is composed of a scrabber-type tower in polypropylene, a suitably capacious aspirator in polypropylene, a water separator, and an aspiration manifold, which the various drums are connected to through the hollow axis. Air from the outside enters the drum through the hollow axle opposite the manifold, washing the gas continuously, and deviating it to the treatment tower, where the hydrogen sulfide is removed by countercurrent absorption into a solution of caustic soda. The purified air passes through the ventilator and is released into the atmosphere through a chimney. Laws on safety in the workplace oblige the installation of systems for the aspiration and treatment of acid gases. Using the same mechanism, we have created the mini-tower system, suitable for aspirating the fumes and bad smells released by sump pits and grid systems in general. The weighing and dosing system, Dosachem M, was designed to satisfy the need to make all the working phases, where liquid or powdered chemicals are handled, safe. The system consists of a polypropylene tank, protected by a stainless steel structure and hung from a crossbeam by means of driven loading cell. Liquid products are introduced by means of manual or automatic valves. Powder products are fed into the tank through a convenient upper opening. The solution of the liquid product, prepared in the right proportions by means of the display on the machine showing the weight, is mixed in by a mixer and then transferred for its various uses, paddle wheels and/or drums, by pumping. The Dosachem M system is available in 4 standard models with a working capacity of 500, 750, 1,000, and 1,500 kilograms. As well as the manual version, there is also an automatic version, Dosachem P, which uses the same mechanical parts as Model M, but with automatic valves. This model is provided with an electric control panel with PLC.
SC Costruzioni Meccaniche broadens the range of its embossing and ironing presses with the new Plate Press 2800. This model offers the safety features and ergonomic benefits of smaller versions. To ensure the safety and comfort of the operator, the press boasts a number of innovative solutions, such as optoelectronic barriers, automatic descending physical barriers, lateral protections, and a steam removal device for work with damp hides. Ease and speed in operation are the exclusive characteristics of the Plate Press 2800, thanks to the foot control pedal, which leaves both hands free to hold and spread out the hides. The new version with 2,800 tons of thrust also provides complete soundproofing of the power unit, which is separated from the machine body. Main features of the Plate Press 2800. The support structure in high-resistance steel is completely checked through ultrasound. Pneumatic locking of the embossing plate facilitates the quick change of patterns. While positioning the new plate, the moving surface may be brought in close for step-by-step comparison, allowing the operator to center the plate easily with respect to the upper heating surface. The heated upper surface is temperature controlled in 5 independent zones, 3 central zones, 1 zone in the front, and 1 zone in the rear. Operator interface with 10-inch color touchscreen. Visualization, monitoring, and regulation of all work parameters. Analogical visualization of pressure and time for more immediate monitoring. Preset recurring cycles and the ability to memorize personalized and frequently used work cycle parameters. Protective handguard up front with a double barrier for maximum worker safety. Continuously self-regulating optoelectronic barriers, plus an automatically descending physical barrier. We hold the exclusive patent on this system, which reduces by 10 centimeters the protrusion of wooden boards in front and in back. Thus, the operator can come in closer to the center of the machine to lay out hides before embossing and can remove stretched hides from the plate more quickly after the embossing. Diagnostics of the main functions through visualization and related alarms. This facilitates the search for the source in case of any problem and reduces downtime for the machine. Plate Press 2800 is equipped for teleassistance by means of a SIM card.
SC Costruzioni Meccaniche. Technology at the service of the environment.